aggressive growth stock picks or stocks growing aggressively. Whichever way you want to look at it, Brian Bolan is here to tell us about a couple of them whose estimates are moving higher, right?
Right. And these are both brand new number ones as well. They were very recently moved to the highly sought after Zacks ranked number one. And of course that happens when earnings estimates are moving higher, and that's the foundation idea.
Okay, so Constant Contact is the first one, CTCT, ticker symbol.
Right.
A little redundancy there, but that's okay.
That's all right. And that fits in with the name. There's CT and Constant and Contact. So
right. I got it.
Good. As long as you got it, that's all that matters.
Yes.
This is an email marketing tool, and so what they do is they help small businesses with their email marketing. They'll help them, create lists and send out, blanket emails, email blasts, those sorts of things. Mm-hmm. You might call them spam, but, some people call them bread and butter. That's how they get a lot of business. Small businesses get a lot of business through email marketing. Mm-hmm. So that, idea is catching on, obviously. The influx of smaller businesses, and when I say smaller businesses, I mean like, 1 to 10-man shops, mm-hmm. or women too. Those are becoming much more prevalent in society. So you're seeing the necessity for these, not necessarily free, but these email marketing management systems as your form of marketing becoming very big. We've seen the company beat 4 of the last 5, right? 4 straight quarters, and we're also seeing great growth here with Constant Contact. The outlook is for 93% earnings growth. And if we take a look at the chart here on the page here that shows that it's a Zacks ranked number 1, we see that it's had a great year. There was a miss a few quarters back. We can see that from the downturn in the chart right there, the big volume spike. But if you bought in when the idea of buying the dip, you would have done quite well with this stock.
All right, tell us about Noah Holdings.
Noah Holdings, yeah, and I'm not normally one to be about these Chinese companies, but this one is a brand new number 1. It has got a decent market cap, so it's right around $1 billion. So it's in that aggressive growth idea of a small cap stock. It is also beat. I believe this one is the 4 straight beats as well. And we're looking here at a Chinese wealth management company. That may give some people some pause and some concern, and usually it gives me some. But the idea is that we hear plenty of stories about the increasing number of billionaires and millionaires in China. At some point that they're going to want to put their money in the bank and do some sort of wealth management with it. So, this is a speculative idea out there because you don't know a lot of the catalysts that could end up, hurting this company. Does China, do anything with its currency? You don't know. How does its central bank move its interest rates? Those are all difficult things to gauge. But for right now, I think that this is going to be an okay stock for at least the next few months.
Okay. Do you own either of these? Or do you have more?
I have the chart here. Sorry for Noah, just so you can take a look.
I just didn't know how to react.
As you can see from the chart, the stock has moved up and down, so there is a little bit of volatility in here.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Oh, good. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. Check out other stock picks and stock picking strategies on our website, Zacks.com. Get on over, check back frequently because they change frequently. With Brian, who's going to go to school to learn how to talk soon, I'm Terry Ruffalo.